In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Opinion Rewards no survey. So if your Google Opinion Rewards application shows you no survey and you still want to get those rewards by answering survey, what you can do is you can first head over, and I have in here this article that can help us. First, you need to install a Google Opinion Rewards, which is the official app directly from the Google Play Store. You need to avoid third-party mirrors or modified APKs, so in that way you will get the survey. Next, you need to sign in with your primary Gmail, which is the Gmail account linked to your Play Store history. So Google often sends surveys based on purchase behavior, maps usage, and YouTube activity tied to your primary account. Next, you need to make sure that your location services is always on, and you need to allow permissions for location, activity recognition, notification, background activity, and without this, surveys won't come. Turn on your Google location history and check your timeline in Google Maps, so in that way, servers or surveys will appear. Keep the app open daily and keep Google Play services updated. You also need to avoid VPN, Google Apps or fake GPS tools, and enable notifications and alerts. With this, you should be able to get some surveys after that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.